Joe, what up? Peace and blessing to the fam. This your big homie Jared. You're rocking with the Retro Insider YouTube channel. Back again with another unboxing. Thank you so much for checking out the content. Go ahead and hit that like button for your boy. Support the channel. Also, if you're new, consider subscribing. Now, as you see here, we have an OG Jordan box. And as you probably already know, we are looking at the Weather Jordan 4. Now, this is a shoe that many people were kind of on the fence about. Now me, as soon as I saw it, I loved it simply because I'm a fan of 4s, and this is the 2019 has been the 30th year anniversary of the shoe, which was originally released back in 1989. Now the Weather theme is kind of unique in the sense that it incorporates elements of all 4 of the OG colorways, which happens to be the black cements, the white cements, the fire reds, and the military blue. So on this left shoe, as you can see, white cement midsole, fire red upper, military blue tongue, I'm tripping, and then we have this military blue heel there with the Nike Air on the back, which a lot of people love. Now the shoe came in a full family size run, retail for $200 in men pairs, and yeah, so release day, not too many people are going after these. It's not a crazy release, which is good for me. I like being able to wake up later in the morning and get a pair. And here's the right shoe. As you can see, we got the black cement midsole, military blue upper, fire red tongue, white cement back heel tab. So yep, this is a good look at this shoe. The leather on this is superb, about what you would expect out of a Jordan shoe that costs $200. Anything less than this, you would have felt like you're getting robbed. So great quality, I must say. And like I said, not a lot of heavy stuff going on in the malls today, so I was able to get in and get out real quick. Extra set of laces here, black. I think I like the look of the white though, to be honest with you. So yeah, just giving you a quick look at the shoe. And as far as excuse me, I'm sorry, lost my train of thought. But as far as the full review, we'll put a link to that when it's done here in the next couple days. So if you're watching this later, check the links in the description, and you can check these out. So yeah, man, I'm really excited about these. I like the way these look, and like I said, that leather on here is bomb diggity. Hopefully you can see it there. But let me know what you guys think about these in the comments below. Let me know if you were checking for them. If not, tell me why you didn't like them. I know a lot of people just don't like the fact that it's a mismatched shoe, and I understand that to a certain extent, but I really like the theme. All 4 of the OG colorways in one package, and yeah, looks legit. Let's take a look at the hang tag too. There it is, a little different there, but yeah, here is the look. And also go ahead and check out the website, theretroinsider.com, for more sneaker updates, news, reviews. Also follow us on Instagram and Twitter at the Retro Insider on some updates of some sneaker deals I come across and things of that nature. I'm rocking the fly knit ones. Feel so great. Love these. I know a lot of people hated those, but anyways, that's it. Hope y'all have a great rest of your day or evening. Stay humble and proceed. Take care.